Alright, welcome back. In this video, we are going to build detail number 8. So this is the crossbars that hold the main body together. Let me get a close-up shot of the whole table, as that's the important part. And gotta do 4 of these. So, in the past, you've watched me, set the calipers, scribe the line, and do all the scribing, the hole punching, the hand drilling. So we've covered, that's the basics. That's what, you'll be able to do that for all of these. And a simple part like this, definitely be able to do that. So, now that we've covered the basics for 7 videos in a row, we're gonna go to the mill, and probably for the rest of these parts, we're gonna do on the mill, just because it's faster. We've already covered the basics. Now, if there's any part on here that may be a challenge to do by hand, I will cover that in the future videos to make sure that this video series does continue to support the guy who just has, this, a hand drill, and something to scratch lines with. The goal with this video series is to bring belt grinders to guys who don't have lots of tools. Now that we've showed how to do that, and I'll continue to make sure that if there's any steps that need to be covered to do that, I'll cover those. But for something like this, it's just holes in a flat plate. So nothing fancy. We're going to get to the mill, and we're going to knock these out. Okay, now, I could have drilled all the way through and then just tapped all of these, flipped it over, and then tapped them again. Now, the risk of that is the deeper you drill, the more the bit will wander. So this is not a gun drill, so it's not going straight. I mean, it starts straight and it slowly probably walks a little bit one direction or the other. Which, you have large enough clearance holes in the mating part, you can do that. But I'm kind of anal and I like to be precise, so I'm drilling about halfway. I'm going to tap them and flip it over and drill and tap the other side. So once I finish tapping this side, we'll conclude the video, because the other side is exactly the same. Just wanted to quick explain that. Alright, well, there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and deepen these by hand, just because my little hobby mill doesn't have enough horsepower to really push it down there. The nice thing, using a drill press or a small mill to get them started, is I know they're perpendicular. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And also, always check down in the description for any changes that I may find. When I get to the very end of this, I'm going to do the animation, and I'm going to show PDF screenshots of every single print. And these videos I'm uploading now are just a reference. Like, let's say you watch the final video, that it's going to be nice and short with all the information in there, and you're like, okay, makes sense, but you want to go back and watch one of the videos where I explain how that happened. That's what these are for. These are like backup data. And I know I'm kind of like doing this in a weird order, but I'm building it right now, so you're watching me in process. So thanks for watching, and once again, remember, like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Have a great evening.